In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Google Calendar. This is a feature that many find incredibly useful for keeping organized and staying on top of what needs to be done. So let's dive in and get you started on mastering this task management tool. First, you'll want to launch your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply navigating to the Google Calendar site on your web browser. If you're already signed into your Google account, it should bring up your calendar straight away. If not, just enter your login details and you'll be good to go. Once you're on your calendar page, look over to the top left corner. You'll see a little plus sign next to the word Create. Go ahead and click that button. This button opens up a menu that allows you to create different types of entries, including events, reminders, and importantly for us today, tasks. Now, when you click Create, a drop-down menu will appear, and you should select the option labeled Task. This option distinguishes it from the regular events or reminders you might be accustomed to, specifically focusing on tasks you need to accomplish. With the task option selected, you'll see a new interface where you can enter all the specifics for your task. Start by giving your task a descriptive title. Think of something that clearly tells you what the task is about. For example, instead of just writing meeting, you might want to specify weekly team meeting or project review meeting. Being specific here helps you quickly identify the task at a glance. Next, if there are any details or instructions that need to accompany the task, this is the place to add them. Whether it's key points to remember or instructions on how to complete the task, try to include information that will make your task easier to execute. Once you've got the title and details set, move on to scheduling. You'll want to set a date and time for when this task should be completed. This ensures that your calendar can remind you of the task at the appropriate time. Just click on the date option, pick your preferred date, and do the same for the time. If this task happens frequently, you'll benefit from setting a recurring frequency. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, or any custom frequency that suits your needs. Just select Does Not Repeat next to the date and choose your desired recurrence interval. Finally, once you have everything filled out to your satisfaction, the last step is to click Save. By saving your task, it's officially added to your calendar, ready to remind you ahead of time and keep you on track. And there you have it, a fresh new task created in your Google Calendar. With these steps, you're now better equipped to manage your tasks right alongside your schedule, helping boost productivity and organization in your daily life. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.